His Excellency, our President, Benigno Simeon Aquino III. To our hosts, Chairman Al-Haj Murad Ibrahim, Chair of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, the members of the MILF Central Committee, and the Chair and members of the Its Peace Negotiating Panel. To fellow guests, other members of Cabinet, and the leadership of our security forces and the respective contingents, the Chair and members of the Government Peace Negotiating Panel, members of the Diplomatic Corps, and representatives from international development aid organizations, our partners and friends from international and local civil society organizations, the private sector, local government units, and most especially our beneficiary communities, to every this jam-packed area. Good morning, magandang umaga po, assalamualaikum, Sadyahatra Bangsamoro. Blessings, prosperity, and peace upon the Bangsamoro. It was not so long ago when we were in a similar jam-packed event to witness a milestone in our history unfold. 4 na buwan na po ang nakaraan mula nang sinaksihan ng buong bansa at ng ibang panig ng mundo ang paglagda sa Framework Agreement on the Bangsamoro noong Oktubre 15, 2012 sa Malacanang. The event and the agreement, which we now refer to as the FAB for brevity, promised the dawning of a beautiful morning to wake up to after the nightmares of violent armed conflict. Ngayon po, ako ay nagising sa umagang kay ganda. A beautiful sunny morning full of happy anticipation to take part in yet another milestone in our peace efforts. Ang FAB ay isang kasunduan na nagbigay ng roadmap para sa kapayapaan at kaunlaran sa rehiyong ito, matagal nang apektado ng digmaan. Sa loob ng nakaraang 4 na buwan, 3 beses na pong nakabalik sa negotiating table ang ating mga peace panels, kasama ang kani-kanilang mga eksperto na bumubuo ng Technical Working Groups or TWGs para sa patuloy na pag-uusap at pagsusulat ng mga annexes na kasama ng FAB ay magbubuo ng Comprehensive Peace Agreement. As stated in the FAB, there are annexes on first, power sharing, second, on wealth sharing, third, on normalization, and fourth, on transitional arrangements and modalities. Ang mga aneksong ito ang magdidetalye ng pagbuo at pagtatalaga ng Bangsamoro na ipapasok sa panukalang batas na bubuuin ng Transition Commission at isusumite para isabatas ng Kongreso bago mag-eleksyon sa 2016. Tulad ng nasabi natin noong nakaraang Oktubre, marami pa ang mga pagsubok na ating kakaharapin sa proseso ng kapayapaan. Subalit lahat ng ito, gaano man kahirap, ay kakayanin nating matakumpay na malampasan dahil sa matatag na pagtitiwala na nabuo gitna ng dalawang panig. Like we said on that historic day in October 2012, so many challenges await us, but the bridge of trust that we have painstakingly built is strong enough to withstand the trials ahead, however difficult they may be. The trust is exhibited anew in a partnership with the leadership of the MILF to immediately bring the benefits of peace to its combatants, their immediate families and communities, and those most vulnerable to conflict, particularly the internally displaced persons, women, and children. This partnership is what we are launching today as the Sadyahatra Bangsamoro Program. Ang Sadyahatra Bangsamoro ay inisyatibo ng Pangulong Aquino, ang ating minamahal na Pinoy, bilang paunang paghatid ng mga dibidendo ng kapayapaan sa mga komunidad ng Bangsamoro, habang patuloy na inaayos ng administrasyon ang paghatid dito ng mga kasunduang politikal sa FAB na ating makikita sa mga susunod na araw at buwan. Our commitments on delivering political commitments under FAB remain unflinching, even as we start with delivering peace initiatives to the Bangsamoro communities. Sadyahatra Bangsamoro is composed of several components that will provide beneficiaries with first, enhanced health services led by the DOH through PhilHealth insurance coverage and upgraded health facilities in targeted barangays and municipalities. On the education component, college study grants will be awarded by CHED and vocational scholarships from TESDA, as well as provision of mobilization grants to selected private madaris catering to children in Bangsamoro communities to help prepare them for accreditation in DepEd programs. For livelihood, beneficiary communities will undergo needs assessment to determine what kind of livelihood suit their needs and circumstance. While this is ongoing, there will be beneficiaries for DSWD's Cash for Work program. Ang Sadyahatra Bangsamoro ay papatupad sa iba-ibang komunidad ng Bangsamoro sa loob ng 18 buwan. Ang kabuoang pondo ng programa ay manggagaling po sa gobyerno. Even though Sadyahatra Bangsamoro already involves 7 national government agencies, and in today's launch, a number of cabinet members are in attendance. Sadyahatra Bangsamoro is not the main or only socio-economic program for the entire Bangsamoro. There are already programs in place, both by national government and the armed government. Ang Sadyahatra Bangsamoro ay parte lamang na mas malaki, mas malawak at pangmatagalang programang ilulunsad na sasagot sa mga pangangailangan sa infrastruktura tulad ng kalsada at paglinang ng mga industriya na pupuntahan ng gobyerno at pribadong sektor. In due time, the long-term program will determine investment priorities, those mechanisms for implementation, taking always into consideration the transition mechanisms laid out under the framework agreement. Because both sides have seen that working together in true partnership can result in a program that not only makes sense to both parties and the bigger public, that serves as a testament that doing things side by side is the only way to go. We are hoping and expecting that this bigger planning activity will also come from the partnership started in Sadyahatra. As members of the MILF Central Committee are sitting together with members of Cabinet, as the security forces of the GPH are now securing this area together with the BIAF, as doctors from the DOH are working side by side with MILF doctors in the medical mission down the road, what we have today is truly historic. It is a paradigm shift. It is a clear signal that we have broken from the past, where government and the MILF sat across a divide that many thought was too wide to bridge. Muli, marami po tayong mga pagsubok na haharapin. Kung magtutulungan tayo, inshallah, sa ating pagtahak ng tuwid na daan, al-sirat al-mustaqim, unti-unti nating malalagpasan ang mga ito patungo sa iisang pangarap natin para sa mapayapa at masaganang bukas. Muli po, isang magandang umaga, lubos ng kayganda, sukran.